Hey everyone! Today, we're getting into a topic that's super important for your heart health. How to reduce LDL cholesterol. If you've been told by your doctor that your LDL levels are high, or you're just looking to improve your heart health, then this video is for you. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First off, let's talk about what LDL cholesterol actually is. LDL stands for low-density lipoprotein. It's often referred to as bad cholesterol because when you have too much of it, LDL can build up in your arteries and lead to heart disease. Think of it like plaque building up in your pipes at home. It's not good. Now, I know this can sound scary, but the good news is that there are effective, natural ways to lower your LDL cholesterol. So, let's get into those steps. Eat heart-healthy foods. The first and most crucial step is changing what you eat. Your diet plays a massive role in controlling your LDL levels. Oats and whole grains. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or include whole grains like brown rice or barley in your meals. Studies have shown that these foods can lower LDL cholesterol by about 5 to 10% in just a few weeks. The fiber in oats acts like a sponge, absorbing cholesterol and carrying it out of your body. A study from Harvard in 1999 emphasized the benefits of whole grains in lowering cholesterol levels, and this remains true today. Nuts. Munch on a handful of almonds or walnuts. These nuts are rich in healthy fats and have been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol by about 5%. A study published by the American Heart Association in 2010 found that people who ate a diet rich in nuts had significantly lower LDL levels. Fatty fish. Eating fatty fish like salmon or mackerel twice a week can be a game changer. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower LDL cholesterol and reduce inflammation in your arteries. A famous study conducted in 1999, called the GISI Prevention Trial, found that omega-3 supplements reduce the risk of heart attacks in people with heart disease. Olive oil. Swap out butter or other fats with olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 15%. The PREDIME study in 2013 highlighted the heart benefits of a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil, showing a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol. Increase soluble fiber. Next, let's talk about soluble fiber. This type of fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance in your gut, helping to block cholesterol from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Beans and legumes. Foods like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in soluble fiber. Incorporate them into your meals. Think about making a hearty bean soup or adding lentils to your salads. Fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. Apples, oranges, carrots, and Brussels sprouts are especially good choices. According to a study in The Lancet from 2017, increasing your intake of fruits and vegetables can lower LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. Exercise regularly. Now, you might not like hearing this, but exercise is key. Regular physical activity can help raise your HDL, good, cholesterol while lowering your LDL levels. Start slow. If you're not used to working out, start with something simple like a 30-minute walk, 5 days a week. Walking is a great way to get your heart pumping without overwhelming yourself. Add intensity. Once you're comfortable, add in some more intense activities like cycling or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week, as recommended by the American Heart Association. Consider supplements. Supplements can be helpful, but they should never replace a healthy diet. However, if you're looking for an extra boost, we'd recommend the following. Omega-3 supplements. If you're not a fan of fish, consider taking an omega-3 supplement. These can help reduce LDL levels and lower your overall risk of heart disease. Just make sure to check with your doctor first. Soluble fiber supplements. If you're struggling to get enough fiber through your diet, a supplement like psyllium husk can help. It's been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol by about 10%. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. One of the quickest ways to lower your LDL cholesterol is by cutting out trans fats and limiting your intake of saturated fats. Read labels. Trans fats are often hidden in processed foods, so make sure you're reading the labels. Look for partially hydrogenated oils and avoid them completely. Limit red meat and full-fat dairy. Saturated fats, found in red meat and full-fat dairy, can raise your LDL levels. Try to replace these with healthier options like lean meats or plant-based alternatives. Stay consistent and track your progress. Finally, remember that consistency is key. It might take a few weeks or even a couple of months to see significant changes in your LDL levels, but don't get discouraged. Track your progress by keeping a food journal or using an app to monitor your diet and exercise. Make sure to schedule regular checkups with your doctor to see how your efforts are paying off. And that's it. By following these steps, you can take control of your LDL cholesterol and improve your heart health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below to let us know how you're doing on your journey to lower LDL cholesterol. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.